Analysis, Variation 2. With the new update, you will realize a new function in the Mode section. There is now a second analysis function listed, you can use for tailor-made sheets of analysis. The virtual Radionic instrument directly reads out the instructions from the analysis sheet you have chosen. At first, let's have a look to the analysis sheet. This version is intended for the use within the School of the Radionic Association. To download this file and the attached sound files, please visit my website on radionics.magix.net/public and navigate to the updates there. Back to the analysis sheet. You will find on the first page the latest layout of the analysis sheet, according to the specifications of the School of the Radionic Association. On the second tab, you will find enough space for your future broadcasts. On the third tab, you will find the instructions for the analysis sequence and columns where the dowsed values will be stored in. It is possible to change the analysis sequence according to your needs. However, be aware that the connections to the first page will then have to be set up in accordance. When you want to start the analysis, click on the Analysis Tool Radio button in the Mode area of the virtual Radionic instrument. A file box opens up, and you can choose an appropriate file. Either a new file, or an already existing file. It is recommended to first prepare your client's file by typing in name, address, symptoms and so on into the appropriate fields. Then store the file at a distinct location in your file cabinet and close the file again, because the virtual Radionic instrument can only access the file for writing, if the file is not already open. After starting the analysis, the procedure is the same, as you already know from the previous analysis procedure. After you have entered the last entry, or when you click on the Exit button, the analysis sheet pops up. Depending on how you have last closed the sheet, one of the three tabs is displayed at first. You can now choose, for example, the Data tab to look at your entries. Or you can go to the Analysis tab to get an overview and further work on your analysis. Please do not forget to save your work after having done any changes in the file. In this version of the sheets, sound is played with every new dowsing request. If you dislike the voice and want your own voice or text with the dowsing event, you can replace the sound file by a sound file you created of your own. Or, if you don't want any sound, simply erase the content of the column, Sounds, in the Data tab of the Analysis sheet. All sound files are stored in the Virtual Instrument folder on the C drive, under Picture, /Analysis, /Sounds. Each analysis sheet can handle 3 different analysis sequences. If you try to start a 4th analysis sequence, you will be warned, and the results will be stored on the next column in the Data tab of the sheet. However, these results will not be displayed in the analysis chart. You can then either replace an older analysis by paste and copy this column into one of the other 3 columns, or preferably use a new analysis sheet.